Okay, Assalamu alaikum and good morning everyone. Hope you all are fit and fine. Today is your SST class and this is your SST reading book. Open the page number 39. Page number 39, and today we are going to read new lesson unit 5, our neighbors. So first the question we have, which countries have a border with Pakistan? Pakistan is in Asia, so the closest countries to Pakistan are India in the east, and there is Afghanistan in the west, Iran is in the again west, China is in the northeast. Now turn the page number 34, 40 after 39. Now India. Okay. India is the larger than Pakistan. It's about 4 times the size of Pakistan. India has many mountains ranges, including part of the Himalayas, which is the tallest mountain range in the world. Then it's a fact, India is the 7th largest country in the world, and India was named after the river Indus. Okay, now the main crops are grown in India are rice, wheat and cotton, tea, etc. Now the peacock is the national bird of India. Things that are made in India include computer, software, steel, chemicals and etc. So the Asiatic lion, the Indian lion or Asiatic lion is smaller than the one found in Africa. Okay, now after this, China. Okay. China is a large country. It is the 3rd largest in the world, and China is about 12 times the size of Pakistan. There are many rivers in China. After this, there are many rivers in China, and 1/3 of China is made up of mountains. The tallest mountain in the world is Mount Everest, is on the border between China and Nepal. So it's a fact about China that China has more people than any other country on earth. It has a population of 1.3 billion. Then during the last 20 years, China has become a world leader in making things. The factories in China produce almost anything you think of. Many of the goods are made for other countries. The main products are cotton, textiles, steel, machines, cars, etc. And after this is the fact that Afghanistan is a little smaller in size than Pakistan. It is a land of tall mountains and many dry desert. Most people live in the valleys between the mountain, where the soil is good for growing crops and keeping animals. Summer are hot and dry, but winters are very cold. Crops growing include pomegranate, grapes and cotton and nuts, etc. As you can see in the book, page number 45. Okay, Afghanistan. Now Afghanistan is a little smaller in size than Pakistan. It is a land of tall mountains and many dry deserts. Most people live in the valleys between the mountains, where the soil is good for growing crops and keeping the animals. Summer are hot and dry, but winters are very cold. Crops grown include then grapes, cotton, nuts and all these. Okay, now it's a fact, Afghanistan does not have a sea coast. It is surrounded by on all sides by other countries. So yeah, this is a fact that Afghanistan does not have a sea coast. So page number 40, after 45, then on the page number 46. Now Afghanistan has suffered many wars in recent years, and this has had a effect on the country and making it hard for people to find work and to lead a normal life. The pomegranate is a fruit that grows on a small tree. The fruit can be grown in dry areas, which is why it grows so well in Afghanistan. So, then Iran. Okay. Iran is twice the size of Pakistan. Iran has the borders with 7 countries. There are the thick rainforests. Iran is very mountainous. There are thick rainforests in the north of the country and deserts in the east and central areas. Then Iran is one of the few places where the Asiatic cheetah is still found. It is very rare. Only about 100 are alive today. So, Iran used to be called Persia, and most people speak Farsi. Most people live in the northwest and are Muslims. So, the most famous things made in Iran are Persian carpets, which are sold all over the world. Now, then after we have the facts of, okay, open the page number 43. What have I learned about neighbors, our neighbors? Key facts: India, 4 times the size of Pakistan. New Delhi is the capital, has mountains, desert and sector. Now lions and tigers live there. Grows rice, tea, cotton, wheat, sugarcane, then potatoes. Then we have the key facts of China. 12 times the size of Pakistan. Beijing is the capital, has lots of mountains and river as deserts. Now endangered animal, giant panda, grows rice, tea, cotton, wheat, peanut and etc. Now turn the page number 49. Key facts: Afghanistan, a little smaller than Pakistan. Kabul is the capital, has mountains and deserts, does not have a coast, grows cotton, wheat, nuts, then etc. Now then come on the key facts. Iran, twice the size of Pakistan. Tehran is the capital, has lots of mountains, also has deserts and rainforest. Endangered animal, Asiatic cheetah, grows rice, tea, wheat and etc. Now just come on that the page number. We have the bookwork of this unit. Page number is 45. This is your bookwork. Page 45. This is your bookwork. Copy into your notebook. Is it visible? Okay. Copy into your notebook. Match each word with its correct meaning. Now this is your matching. You will do it in the book. Now first one is factory. You will match this one, a place where things are made. Now textiles, you will match with fabrics and cloth. Then pollution, making a place dirty and unsafe. Environment, our natural surroundings. Then habitat, a place where plants and animals live. Population, the number of people in a place. Logging, cutting down trees to use the wood to make things. Nature reserve, after desert, an area with little or no rain and few plants. Now nature reserve, land that is set aside to protect plants and animals. You will do it in the book. This is your bookwork, and after this we have the skill bookwork. This is your skill book. This is your skill book. World Watch Skills Book 4. Now open the page number. Open the page number 21. This one, this is a bookwork. Okay, now our neighbors, unit 5, our neighbors. So you will just look at this map and you will just use the question we have, name the countries at these locations. So we have the location and we will just find out in this location, find out in this map and write the name the countries at this location. Okay, you will just find out in this map. Now I have already solved in it, but you will solve this one, page number 21, by yourself. Now open after this page number 22. Okay, page number 22. Now you are a zookeeper in China. You look after the giant pandas, and a reporter from a newspaper has come to interview you. Use the information above to answer his question. This is the information they have already given above, so you will just give the answer. First you will read this, the whole one, read this by yourself, then you can easily give the answer of these questions. Now do pandas live in the wild anywhere else in the world? You can easily write the answer. Then the remaining questions, first how will you solve it? First read the whole one, then you can just write the answers. Now after this, page number 23, then here are the country shapes, okay, for Pakistan and our 4 neighbors. Can you name them? So what will you do? Just look at page number 39 of your people's book to help you. Which book? That I was just reading, and that book. Then you will write first you will just search the names of this, then you will write the names in this. Now then each country has a dot marked on it. This is location of each capital city. Name the capital city for each country. Now this is a country and you will write the capital of each country. Now here are the flags for each country. Name the country for each flag, then color them. Okay, now again you will use that book, that it is easy for you to color these flags. Okay, now so you will just color the flags, and what will you do? You will also write the name on the top of these flags, like you can write the name of the flags. Okay, now open the page number 24. Deserts. Now there are deserts in Pakistan and her neighboring countries. A desert is an area with little or no rainfall. Deserts can be sandy or rocky, and few plants grow there, and they can be hot or cold places. Here is a map of the main deserts in our region. So it will be easier for you to write the answer the question using this map. Now name 3 deserts in Pakistan. You will write the name 3 deserts in Pakistan. Then in which country is then you will write it. The largest desert is in China. What is its name? Now what is the name of the desert that is partly in India and partly in Pakistan? Name 2 deserts in Iran. Now a camel is a desert animal. So then you will just solve it. First you will use this using the map. Now turn the page number 25. Okay, now use after this what will you do? You will do the matching. Now for example, here is a map, mangroves, and you will match with this trees growing in tropical coast with roots that grow above the water. Now the remaining one you will solve like this. You will just simply match with anyone which will be for example mountain range. So you will simply match with anyone which one will be the correct one. We use a dictionary to help you match each word to its meaning. Now use each of the words given under each picture in these sentences. Pakistan has a sea dash in Balochistan and Sindh where the land meets the Arabian Sea. Here you will find dash and growing. Pakistan has 4 dash. They are called the Cholistan, then the remaining one. Okay, now this is a page number 25 and everything is mentioned on the web portal. You can just complete your work from the web portal. And is there any confusion in this unit 5? So you can ask through WhatsApp and we can give the reply as soon as possible. Thank you so much. Take care. Allah Hafiz.